Alright everyone, what we are doing today is clearly about removing stain. This is where I'm showing the stains which I'm going to remove using the following procedures. So follow me guys. First of all, I'm going to use a paste with a toothbrush, then detergent, Omo particular, then with water to remove it. So this is me when I'm applying the toothpaste and using the brush to spread the toothpaste across the lines that the ink showed up. I'm actually dealing with ink here. A pen was it was scratched on the clothes, so I'm brushing it off, and after brushing it off, I will leave it for some time. Then I will come and do the brushing. So let's watch, guys. Alright, here I've started the brushing. That means I must have left it for 30 minutes. There was a cut in the video so that I won't waste time. So after you leave it for 30 minutes and the paste with the detergent have soaked in the clothes, you do a lot of brushing with a very a soft brush because of the material. It depends on the material you're using. That's the type of brush you're going to use so that you don't damage the clothes. So I'm actually using a bit hard brush to do it, and the kind of pressure I apply is a kind of gentle and steady. Because I'm fast forwarding it, that's why it looks this way. So that's it deals with a lot of brushing. So just take a look and observe the whole process to remove an ink, a pen that stained a clothes. You see that you won't be able to see those things clearly. That means somebody that's far from you cannot see. These things are still there, but they're very faint. They are almost removed. So if you continually do this, let me say after wearing the clothes, if you want to watch it again, you focus on that particular part. Before you know it, maybe at a month interval, all these things will vanish immediately. So this is me trying to raise off the detergent from the clothes so I can spin it and then dry it. That's the only way I can make it faster, because the customer is actually on my neck trying to be like, please do this immediately, I want to use it. So that's that. Someone once told me that ironing is a very sensitive part of dry cleaning, and since then I've been trying to make the clothes I'm ironing to be very straight and to make sure that every part of the cloth is touched by iron, and also the folding has to be perfect so that there will be no almost it will be almost perfect. Let me use the word almost perfect, and that is what I've been trying to achieve for some time now. And it wasn't easy, but the more you practice it, the more you become good at it, and that's it. So the cloth is ready in, let me say, 2 hours at most, because it needs time for drying, packaging, everything. So it's ready. The customer can always come and collect it immediately. Thank you so much.